In this video I'm going to show you how to change the name of your YouTube channel. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your YouTube application and then hit on your profile picture right there at the top right. Now here tap on your channel and there hit on that pencil and tap there on your name. Now here in name field you can clear that field and write there any name that you want. I'll write test channel. And then I can hit that gray check mark, and now you see that name was already changed. That's how it works, guys, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.